Nice one. So we got frozen pineapple, cucumber, ginger or lime. We can use lemon or ginger. And we have a roughly about 1/4 cups of water right here, which we're going to be using. Lovely. Now, so we're going to start it off this simple way. Okay? So first thing what we're going to do is pineapple. All right? Cucumber. This is some ginger, all right? Lime or lemon, all right? That's perfect for it, guys. Now, I got roughly about 1/4 cups of water, as I said before. We're gonna put some water. You don't need any honey or sugar in it. Just natural blending like this you need to use. All right, guys? So that's gonna perfect for you. All right? Now, we're gonna take it to the blend. All right? And that's the way it look. All right? Yeah. So let's blend. We're gonna make a little bit of a noise. All right? Now, this is perfect, guys, in the morning for a quick weight loss recipe. So let's open. All right, that looking good. All right, look at that. Beautiful, nicely, lovely, and blend. Now all they're gonna do is pour out that an amazing drink. Just like that. Beautiful and nice. You see that, guys? That is lovely, delicious, and nice. I got my teeth all over the place. All right, guys, beautiful one. But anyway, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and that's just a perfect, quick weight loss recipe in the morning. All right, I'll see you next time with more recipe. Bye-bye.